What is up, Rad Potential YouTube, and welcome to another Rad Formational video on the wonderful Rad Potential YouTube channel. I think I just said Rad Potential YouTube channel twice, but whatever. What are we here to do today? Well, most of you guys probably have a first-gen RX7 if you're watching this. The other people, if you don't, I appreciate your watching the video. Anyway, so first-gen RX7, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to take off the taillights and the rear valence, because I feel like some people may be intimidated by working on, things like this, but there's other people that are just like ready to rip to take stuff apart. So we're starting with the white rally car here, and as you can see, it's a little wet. I just got done washing it, but the nicest part about this car is that everything is out of here. So in yours, you would have the camera, right? So in your car, you're gonna have like carpet that's laying in here, and it's mounted to these screws, these little tabs, and you have the carpet hanging down. So go ahead and remove that, so you have access to everything back here. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a 10mm deep well socket, and you're gonna take off each one of these 10mm nuts. Okay. Before you do that, though, there is a plug right in here. Okay, it's kind of hard to get to with that stuff on, so just be aware that that is there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take that apart. Okay, if you don't have a little zip, get you one. They're handy. So buzz that one off. Okay, so once you get this off of here, it does get a little awkward with this plug that's right here. I feel like... Oh my gosh. I think we're good. There was a wasp on my camera. Not into that. So now there's a dead wasp in the car. Man, I guess there must be a little wasp nest in here somewhere. We're going to have to find it. Okay, so back to this. I'm going to go ahead, remove the center valence piece, because something is impending me from getting it out. So the center valence comes off, just these two little screws here. Now let's see, can this thing move? Oh, I see. Okay, so there's two more. Right here, these two. Take those out. Ho ho ho! Alright. Now we're getting somewhere. So now this whole thing can move. Sweet. And I need to get to this plug. Okay. Probably not the ideal situation. Okay. Now that the plug's unplugged, see, I'm being a nice guy. I'm going to brake my car so you all know how to not brake yours. Okay, now this whole thing should come out. Oh ho ho! Alright, taillight removed. So, basically what happened there, you can see this is the plug right here that runs all the taillights. It is mounted to the tail light housing, this little stud and that bolt, and there we go, we're good. But you can't reach the plug thing, so I had to pull it off. These tail light seals aren't in bad shape either. This is a good tail light. So tail light off, the sail panel valence is off. These tend to crack all the time. Okay, now we'll take this other tail light out and try to do it without breaking it. So we're gonna see what the most effective way for unplugging this is. And I think I just got it. Alright, so if you reach your finger down and around the side of this, you can depress the button, and I have fairly strong fingers and hands, so that I can depress that and slide it up. We got it unplugged. So now the same. that comes off, and then basically from the outside, you kind of, oh, what the heck? They're all out. Oh, that one was stuck. Got it loose. It's going to come towards you this way, and it should come out. Oh, don't break the seal, come on. Science. So, this taillight's in pretty good shape too. Now, these do get, you can see, a little faded, a little cheeched. You can separate these, replace the lenses, do all sorts of stuff. You can also swap these bulbs out for LED bulbs if you like, and do the jam. So, there's your quick and dirty how-to, how to remove these. Look at how gnarly it is back here. So, if you searched this and you have a 79 RX7, there is no center panel, and it's just the taillights, okay, on each corner. They only come to about here as well. They're definitely not as big. So, get this out of here. And basically, to reinstall, you're going to do everything I just did there backwards. So, slide the taillight in from the outside, put those 8 bolts in the back of them, take the sail panel off last, the thing will come right out. So, that is the quick and dirty how-to, how to remove your taillights and sail panel on your first generation RX7. So, drop a comment below if there's anything else you don't know how to do, and I can hopefully show you how to do it. Thanks for watching. Keep it rad.